Okay, so in this problem you're asked to find basically all the integers such that 1 is not one of its digits. It might be a little bit confusing about how the wording is in the decimal expansion of n, but the decimal expansion of n essentially means the base 10 expansion, meaning what's it look like as an actual integer. And so we need to think of a way to do this. First off, there really are three categories. Your three categories are from 1 to 999, 1,000 to 1,999, and then finally 2,000 to 2,009. Now, this category, there are 0 that have a 1 in it. Because all of those have there are 0 that don't have a 1. All of them have a leading 1, and so you can just throw those out the window. 2000 to 2009, well, there's 10 numbers that are represented there, and only one of them, 2001, has a 1. So we know we have 9 numbers from 2000 to 2009. So the only thing challenging about this problem is figuring out how many ways can you get a number without a 1 in it from 1 to 999. Well, it's actually a very simple process by looking at the 3 digits and realizing that we can define all 3 digits except for 0, 0, 0 by plugging in 9, realizing that you can plug in any number from 0, any digit from 0 to 9 in each of those slots. So if I want to not have a 1 in those slots, then I can have 9 options to put here. If I want not a 1 in this slot, I've got 9 options. And if I don't want a 1 in this slot, I've got 9 options, which gives me 729 ways of not having a 1. However, you've got to be careful with that method. That was a very nice, slick way of counting those. 9 times 9 times 9 is 729. But the problem is that includes 0, 0, 0 as one of those 3-digit numbers, because each of these 9s represents the digit 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I counted 0, 0, 0. And so by counting 0, 0, 0, I need to subtract 1 from this to get 728, and then add these 9s over that 9 from the 2000s, and I get the answer of 737. There are some other ways to go about this. You could have broken this down. If you know, there's a nice thing that you should know from any group from 1 to 999 or 1 to 99. There are and actually you would think of it as 1 to 99. Each of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is used 20 times, and then 0 is used less than that. And so from 1 to 999, the 1's used 20 times, and it's actually in 19 numbers. And so you'd have 80 ways that it's used from 1 to 999. From 100 to 199, it's not used. It's used in every single one of those, so we get 0 from that one. And then the rest of them, from 200 to 299, well, 19 of those numbers include a 1. So that means from 200 to 299, there's actually 100 numbers instead of 99. And so that means there's 81 ways. Well, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, there's 8 of those. Multiply that times 8, you get 648 plus 80, and that is where your 728 comes from in a more direct route. But the best solution was the first solution, and that is using that nice clever counting of multiplying 9 times 9 times 9.